So in this vlog, I'm in the northeastern state of Assam, and here we are on a 2-hour long drive on these roads that lead us out of its capital city, Guwahati, to a farm stay in the outskirts of this city to spend the whole day in. Looks like a bright and warm morning here at the countryside today. We have just reached our destination. It's wonderfully calm out here, and that immediately puts one at ease. So today we are at this farm stay in the outskirts of Guwahati, and this place is called Paat Halodhiya. And since it's also a resort, you can also stay over the night here and make your bookings beforehand. It's really nice. It's away from the city. You can feel the calmness. We'll explore this property in this video and see what this place has to offer. We, however, were here just for a day to enjoy the calm countryside, indulge in tasty Assamese cuisine, and of course to vlog the best out of it. This place, being a farm stay, is mostly very rustic in its style and feel. It has a very laid-back vibe with cabins and most structures made out of natural materials. It is surrounded by lonely fields, so you can truly feel like you have left the city far away. And that's the cabin we have chosen to sit in. Take some walking over a bamboo bridge that goes over this little pond to make your way into the cabin. It was getting really hot. I had come here with my poncho on, and I've taken this off and changed into my t-shirt. And although it's like second week of December, it's still very hot here in Guwahati. So we have come to the edge of the property, and from here we are able to view these open fields and really vast expanses of paddy fields. And there are these hillocks as the backdrop. This is supposed to be one of those cabins, I think. And there are so many of these structures out here. These are only getting built now. And here comes my most awaited time of this trip. It is lunchtime with a variety of pork dish preparations. There is boiled pork with bamboo shoot, pork with black sesame seeds, and very surprisingly, my most favorite caramel pudding. Looks like the day has come to a close now, and the view of the sun has kept us all obsessing over it for a long time before we begin our journey back to the city. Thank you for making it to the end of this video, and I'll catch you soon enough in my next vlog.